Isn't that neat?
Now we need to come down here and my awesome dad.
Yeah. it's ice coming off the trees. There's like icicles all over the trees. See the ice on this one? Pretty lady? Yeah. Yeah. That's all coming down off the big trees.
Like that too.
Yep. Yeah, I've never in my 43 years have seen it do this.
Now you
Like,
are, Dad.
Yeah. How old are you when you get to see it?
7.
Watch.
That's beautiful, Daddy.
I've never heard it make that sound when it hits the snow.
Because the snow hard. Yeah.
Well, it's kind of mushy. Oh, it's kind of got a hard layer on top, don't it? Like an icy layer.
Yeah.
Here it comes. Ah! Here, let's go stand under the tree. That'd be. Look at all this that fell. They're like ice cubes.
I found.
You did? Ready? Let's stand right here. See if I can shake it off.
I want to do it.
Ready? Can you grab that? You make it? Man. Here it comes. Oh, from over there. Uh-oh. Ooh, that was a big one. That one might have knocked me out. Did you see the tree fall over there?
Yeah.
I missed it. I mean, I saw it fall, but I didn't get it on camera. What gets me is how healthy that tree looks when it snapped.
Dad, it sounds like someone like stepping.
Well, let's listen. Oh wait, I think I hear that stepping sound.
Yeah. Bigfoot.
Well, what gets me is
What?
there's not.
Someone going
Listen,
over there.
listen.
We heard a bird.
Like there ain't that much ice build up to where it should have took out that healthy tree. I wouldn't have thought, but
That's cool. We're lucky, Daddy.
we are. I'm grateful. Ooh.
Hey, Daddy, look. I know, Dad. Bye-bye.
You're going down.
Now I have to go in there.
I think we'd sink a long ways, maybe. I don't know if I want to go in there if they're gonna be if there's toppling trees.
Yeah.
That one would have knocked us right out.
I almost toppled.
Sure is pretty in Minnesota, huh?
It sounds like Bigfoot. No, Dad, it sounds like Bigfoot walking.
There's the dead deer. I don't know if I dare show the dead deer on camera. Somebody had dumped a dead deer carcass down here. All the crows and ravens and birds have been eating on it. Imagine if the wind come up.
What happened then, Daddy?
Yeah, well, there would be a lot of ice falling.
That's cool.
Just crazy.
Dad, guess what we found?
It almost sounds like
Dad, listen to what a gold thing.
when it falls, it almost sounds like electricity crackling or something. What am I looking at?
The gold thing.
Oh, that.
What is that?
Yeah, I'm not sure. It almost looks like a piece of wire with something connected to the end of it. Oh, it's like a plug-in. Oh, it's yeah, I know what it is. It's a charger cord for a phone.
Your phone getting wet.
Yeah, it's pretty waterproof for the most part.
What if it fall in the lake?
Well, then it's not so waterproof. It'll get in the ports. These market. Or I'd have to try to get it dried out. I wonder if an echo would make the trees drop ice. Should we try?
Yeah.
Woo! Woo!
I see some more things down there.
Well,